Holy shit, did you see my quad no scope?
Shut up, UBK random, that was all luck. You are trash at this game.
Don't even talk, you effing scrub, I would destroy you in a 1v1.
Back out and invite me so I can ruin your bitch ass.
It is on, bitch, ha ha ha.
I bet that random won't even invite me. Holy shit, he actually did.
These are my rules: no head glitching, no going on top of Rust, interventions only. And last of all, I always win. JK, are you ready?
Start the fucking map so I can rape you.
You won't be talking for long, UBK.
What the hell is this? Your connection is shit. I can't even move.
You're just pissed I already got 7 kills on your bitch ass.
Fuck this, bro. I'm out.
Ha ha ha, still undefeated. My lag switch never fails me. Get raped.